today with a new box to my channel, and it's called Rowan Berry Box. My name's Fawn and this is my channel. It's a happy place full of happy people. If you'd like to watch unboxings and hauls and some subscription boxes and some try-ons and some, just about a little bit of everything, then please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave me a comment. So this is a new box to me, Rowan Berry Box. I think it used to have a slightly different name. I think it might have been the Rowan Tree Box. Anyway, it's only recently relaunched or styled itself, but you know how much I love stationery, and when I saw this one I thought I've got to give it a try. So here we go. It's your freshly picked monthly fix, Rowan Berry Box from Rowan Trees. Let your stationery addiction take root. Your box should be perfect when it pops through your letterbox. I know it was when I hand picked and packed it in the Rowan Room, my garden stationery shed. I love small businesses, don't you? Right under where the Rowan trees used to be. It's rare, but accidents can happen, so please let me know if there is a problem. They have a secret Facebook group, and then there's lots of information about the subscription. Whether you want to take a breather, whether you want to get more. So, hello there. So you've just opened your Rowan Berry Box. How bloomin' exciting. Don't let me spoil the delight of unboxing your stationery surprises. Come back and read this when you're done. It's all in the info that's handy to know. Hope you love everything as much as I loved curating and cultivating it. Enjoy, Danielle. I'm sure I will enjoy it because you know I love stationery. So it's very, something's getting ready to pop out. Beautifully wrapped, and I love a bit of purple. So inside I have a beautiful gold pen Touch it's called. Be perfect for writing Christmas cards, won't it? Like that. Then there is some washi tape, and I've become a real convert to washi tape rather than sellotape on parcels. Look how pretty that is with the little gold stars on it, and it's all got its own, you know, Rowan Tree branding all over it. Then I have 3 really cute Christmas tags with to and from, and they've got snowmen and bits and pieces on. Then there's a leaflet telling me what the things are, which I might go back to, but we'll see. Then I've got some lovely stickers which will be perfect for my bullet journal for Christmas month, for December. It says Winter Friends. Then I've got, I think it's a piece of art that you can put in a little frame. It's actually seriously cute. The kids would like that. Whoops. Yeah, the kids would love that. I have, this is exciting because it's new. 2 cards, whoops. One with the same as the picture and one with the same as the tags that I can fold and send. Beautiful. Oh, a gingerbread biscuit recipe with the instructions on the back, ingredients on the front. I've got a month of December to hang on my thing. I still don't know what to call it, but my stand, so I can see the month of December, and it's lovely. I've got some beautiful gold envelopes, although I won't be able to use the gold pen on them, will I? But beautiful gold envelopes. A really cute little notebook. Plain paper, unlined, but isn't that cute? Look at the designs on that. This is perfect for a young person actually, isn't it? And a sheet of wrapping paper, again in that beautiful, beautiful design. They're almost too nice to use, the wrapping papers I find in some of these subscription boxes, but it's lovely and thick. So a special gift could be wrapped in that. So let's just have a quick look at the Winter Friends Rowan Berry Box leaflet. So Aurora McLeod is an illustrator and mixed media artist. She's the creative mind behind Friends in the Leaves. That's what their design is called. It's drawn from many sources, including the nature around her, photographs and little scenes in her head. She enjoys combining nature and goofy dressed up animals. So you've got a square sketchbook. Oh, it's actually a sketchbook. So you could sit in, I suppose it is, isn't it? Because it is lovely paper. I mean, it's really, really smooth paper. The A5 print and gingerbread recipe, the 2 greeting cards with gold envelopes, some stickers, some washi tape, gift wrap and tags, a Sakura pen touch in gold, which, oh, that's interesting. It writes on glass, wood, porcelain, metal, paper, and much, much more. Quick drying, opaque, light fast, and smudge proof. And then, of course, my calendar. So that's Rowan Tree, or Rowan Berry Box. I'll be interested to see where this goes. I'm definitely going to give it a try because I do like what came. All the little bits and pieces. I love stationery. I really, really do. And what's brilliant is I like the fact that I've got 3 of these tags. So each of the grandchildren can have one on their main present from me. So that's the Rowan Berry Box. Next, I have my monthly tea. As you know, I've been really enjoying this because it's just a different way to get some t-shirts. I've been really happy with the black one in particular. We're discovering white's not quite my colour. But let's have a look, see what I've got this time. Oh, it's white. It's white and it has, oh, really pretty design on it. Look at that. You see that? What I like about these, you know, the one I tried on in the 5 on Friday, it's very see-through, which I didn't realise until I watched it back on the film. These aren't. These are properly thick cotton. So I will be able to wear that with jeans or leggings and not worry about just what is showing through. So I'm happy with that too. So a box I've been having for a while and a brand new box. It's a Sunday here and we have the most fog I've ever seen, I think. It reminds me of when I fell in love with this house, when I was viewing it, because we came to see it and it was a foggy day like this. And so out of the windows, it looks as though you're sitting on a little island with a sea of mist and fog. Anyway, we're rushing towards Christmas and I'm loving it. And I hope you are too. I'll see you soon.